Good morning, everyone. This is Brian Weber from technicalanalysisresource.com, and this is a Euro dollar report for the 21st of March 2012. Now, on overnight trade, the euro has made its way up to the first target right here, which was the 132.65 zone, which was Monday's high. If you guys remember, we estimated that price would potentially bounce around the 131.85 up to 13200 zone yesterday, and around about noon, price did take the bounce, move up, and again the first target area was the 132.65 Monday's high right here. And in overnight trade, price has moved up, as you guys can see here, and hit the first target, and has also carried on up, and has just failed to hit the second target at 132.91. It's printed a high about 132.84. That's the overnight high, so about six or 7 pips just shy of that second target, which is fair enough. Price is currently trading around the 132.60 area. And we would look to book profits here on the long trade. This is the 1 hour chart that we're looking at. Again, we can still see that the bullish trend is intact after the initial trend line break from last week. So we had the trend line down here, and then when we broke the trend line, we held it as support before making our way up above the 200 period moving average right here. And again, we can see support starting to form into 200, and another attempt towards the 200 here before price pushing up. Now, what we're looking at today is a possibility of a pullback in the market, and to give us another opportunity to go long. Again, this is a 1 hour chart that we're actually looking at. On the 1 hour chart, you can see the stochastic is just overbought and starting to turn down here and break back out of that overbought zone. And we do have various different support points on the chart all the way down here, and if I zoom down to a 15-minute chart, we'll see that a little bit better. I actually have the support points drawn in here. Okay, so we've got support down at the 132.20, down at the 132.15 zone, and that is also where the 200 period moving average is currently sitting in the market. So what we're thinking that if price can head down towards this support zone, we would look for buy signals around this zone here, in or around this zone, to try and get back long above that 1 hour trend again. Okay, so again, we're above the 15-minute 200, and again, you can see support here. This was yesterday's trade with the bullish divergence here on the stochastic down at the 131.85 zone. Okay, so if we can repeat, price comes down towards that 132.20, 15 zone, and we get a similar signal, then we will go long again and target that 132.91 zone up towards the 13300, and possibly even higher, up towards that 133.20 zone as well. Okay, so these cluster of resistance points up here, if I just draw that in right here. Okay, so we got the 132.91, followed by the 13300, followed by the 133.20 zone, and that would really be our target area if we could get long in the market, roughly down here. If this level does fail, then watch the 131.70 up to 131.85 zone, which was yesterday's major support down here. Okay, so watch for another double tap if this level up here, the 132.15 up to 132.20 zone, fails. Okay, so if I just draw that in, what we're looking for is a pullback in the market down here, to then possibly give the buy signal to go long again and target that level up here, which is the 13300. Okay, so 132.15 to 132.20, look to go long if you get the correct buy signal, and trade that up towards the 132.91, 13300, and again possibly that 133.20 zone up here as well. Now again, if this level does fail to hold price and we do get a breakdown, and then again possible support here at 131.70 up to 131.85, and again we could possibly go long, but I wouldn't think that would take us back up towards that 132.91 zone. We're probably looking at a retest of that 132.15 up to 132.20 zone as a possible target before another decline in the market, okay, down towards the 130-140 zone. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's the possibilities for today. We're looking to go long around this region here, the 132.15.20. Trade that up towards the 132.91. If that fails, then look to go long at 131.70 up to 131.85. Trade that up to the 132.15, 132.20.